Kong literally does that. I mean, you're on board the ship, you're sailing to a lost island, you're encountering monsters and creatures from, prehistoric times. So I was thrilled when you first invited me back to Sky Island. That was great. Now we have created this 3D immersive experience, so you're going to have your glasses ready. Don't put them on yet, just have them in your hand because we're about to return to Sky Island.
Alright, we're going to watch that one more time. We don't have to listen to it, but I want to show you guys some cool stuff. This, of course, Peter Jackson just explaining what's going on. What we're looking for is this right here. This is the original King Kong. It looks pretty cool, right? The original model that he was designed on was 18 inches tall, which makes this next shot a little confusing, right? That's still the 18-inch tall model, and the guy in the scene is over 6 feet tall. So how did it work? King Kong is only 3 feet away from the camera, whereas the man in question is over 30 feet away from the camera, thus making perspective make him look smaller than King Kong. Then King Kong had to be animated using a technique called stop motion animation, meaning they needed to take 60 pictures to make 1 second of animated footage. That's what I mean when we say a camera's filmed at a speed of 60 frames per second. Now folks, we're all headed back to an island in a red vehicle, so things get a little bumpy. Please make sure to hold on down your business along, keep your hands on the speed of what is inside, and keep an eye on all of your friends and family. Leave them left behind where they become a part of the indigenous tribes on the Sky Islands.
Glasses on, everybody. Get back to Sky Island. Incredible. Oh man, the pirate!
Beverly Hills Cop 2 starring Eddie Murphy. He was also seen in an episode of the show Bones called Bones versus the Blue Line. Now, they have left things all ready for filming, so we do just want to ask that everybody kind of remain seated, keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. We don't want to mess up any of their filming, so they can just come in tomorrow morning and continue where they left off. You can see there's a bunch of advertisements on the walls trying to get us a little bit more current. Probably people that have sponsored the production. If you look on the left, you can see it is definitely not modern day. When was the last time you've seen a payphone anywhere? Right? I mean, that's pretty big. Nothing to worry about, folks. It's just how we say hello here in Southern California. Okay. the subway is trying to make it through. Hold on! Okay, I don't think we can handle anymore. I think we're gonna get out of here before anything else happens. Nothing more to come on! Ladies and gentlemen, should the water come up too high, you can use the person sitting next to you as a flotation device. Everybody give yourselves a round of applause. Who gets your badge? Earthquake. That is representing an impact of the earthquake on the Richter scale. Be sure to turn up people around you. You'll see that earthquake. And it says shake well and enjoy. And on the left side, you'll see a Coca-Cola advertisement that is a bottle of Coke exploding because it has been shaken up. So literally, the next time you go through there, you can get a little chuckle as everyone else is looking at you like, what is going on? But on the right, you'll see the Universal Stables. Yeah, you have to bring your own coconuts to make the sound of the galloping horses. Sorry, that's a Monty Python joke for those people who know. On your left-hand side, you'll see where we're headed next. We've got special dispensation by the order of the Amity Police Department to check out Amity Island, New England. There was a bit of a shark problem. It's nothing to worry about, though. Michael and I came out here late last night, and Michael caught the shark. Decided to pose it for you. It's right there on the right-hand side. Huge smile on his face. We want to make sure you get all the best pictures you can. Now, we do have police divers out in the water to make sure that nothing else is going on. Safety is our #1 concern here at Universal Studios Hollywood. And we're going to make sure that everything going on in this entire lagoon is completely fine, completely fine. Let's see if Officer Bob is out of the water. No, Officer Bob is not out of the water. Hold on, folks, let me try and get his attention. Officer Bob, there's a shark on your left. No, Bob, your other left. Okay, so what Bob is doing now is employing his best self-defense technique. It's called bleeding on the shark, and it always works. The only problem is Bob can only do it once. And there he goes. But we're going to do something silly, safe. We're going to go ahead and duck behind this dock full of flammable chemicals. Because nothing could possibly go wrong with that plan. Folks, something went wrong with that plan. The shark is now tearing the dock apart. We have fuel spraying everywhere. Okay, and now the dock is on fire. Oh, man. Well, as long as we stay right here, we should be totally fine. And actually, the fire feels kind of good. Whoa! Folks, please put your hands together for our first start. This part of the adventure. Bruce, the mechanical shark. That's right, our shark goes out of Dominic. We got his name from the original mechanical. A bit of work over there on false leg. Hold on just a second, folks. We're not actually supposed to come through here. Hopefully, somebody will let us know very shortly why they have decided to send us through here today.
My name is Roman Pierce. Pleased to meet you. My buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you with Shaw for a while. So we brought you in our secret spot.
Alright, look guys, we're gonna keep Shaw from finding you, but to keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us here, so put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone could give us away.
I need y'all to take this real serious.
Okay, pull into the next bay and we'll meet you in there.
All right, in just a few moments, we are going to be moving forward into the next bay for our own safety. Just kind of interesting, there's some loud bass and music coming from the other side of the door. This could be one of those underground racing parties I hear so much about. I don't know, I don't get invited to many parties. But as we move forward, folks, please remain seated, keep your hands on speed and legs inside the trail at all times. Hold on, while your boost number 1 means, and let's get ready to party!
FBI, don't move. Neil, that's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, let's back up a little bit. Got it. Slightly. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of something.
See what I'm talking
Call you
about?
back. It was on vibrate.
Sure traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, run the truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
So, right about now, you may be wondering to yourself why it is that you're still holding on to a pair of 3D glasses. You're going to want to go in and pop those babies on one last time. So what I didn't tell you the first time you wore those is that those are special 3D glasses. They've been specially formulated to have full facial recognition software, so they should have keep you safe from old Shaw. However, you might have noticed that Michael and I did not get a pair of 3D glasses. So wish us luck, everyone. This could get a little bumpy.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. This thing ain't moving fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up.
I got the bull by the horn!
Now we're moving.
You give me the witness to run over the cover today! I got me! The witness is mine, Letty!
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away! Come in the cars!
Way to go, Letty.
Don't climb another missile shot!
Not gonna happen.